Subscribe to Android Discovery Channel. And press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. YouTube is an online video sharing platform for creators, artists and intellectuals, or anyone who wants to be heard by the masses. YouTube is a form of expression, information, opportunity, belonging and entertainment. YouTube has now become bread and butter for an insane amount of people and continuing to do so. YouTube came into existence in 2005 and since then it has never turned back. It is home to more than 2 billion users globally and drives heavy traffic every day. YouTubers irrespective of age are enjoying this engaging video sharing platform to the fullest. YouTube has a user-friendly interface with easy settings to make it more convenient. You can change your YouTube location and language as desired. Follow the steps here for the same. How to change the language on YouTube. Step 1. Open your laptop and log into your YouTube account, if not already. Step 2. Click on your profile picture. Step 3. Click language. Step 4. Click the language you would like to use. YouTube videos will remain in their original language irrespective of the language change. If you ever clear your cache and cookies, you will need to change your language settings again as they are saved in the browser you're using. The page will automatically get reloaded to save the changes made. YouTube-related emails are delivered in the default language for your geography or location. If you've changed your YouTube language settings, you can change your email settings to match the language with your How to change language and location settings on the YouTube mobile app. YouTube Mobile follows the language setting of your device by default. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your mobile. Step 2. Click on your profile picture. Step 3. Open settings. Step 4. Now open general. Step 5. Tap location to choose a different location. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.